Verification of truth, our next chapter for logical reasoning. In this type of reasoning questions, a question is followed by 4 possible answers. The alternatives other than the correct answer also seems to have a relationship with the item mentioned in the statement. You are required to select the absolute truth which always holds or verifies the truth of the statement. Like in the following example, an animal always has, the options are skin, heart, lungs, life or ears. Now if we talk about skin, then there are so many animals without skin, for example insects. If we talk about heart, then aquatic animals like jellyfish and starfish do not have heart. Then if we talk about lungs, then insects do not have lungs. If we talk about ears, then reptiles do not have ears. But an animal cannot live without life. So an animal always has life. So here the right option is life. Similarly, let's see some more examples. A race always has option A reward, option B rivals, option C spectators, option D referee or option E victory. Now there can be a race without rewards. There can be a race without spectators. There even can be a race without referee. And if all the participants reach at the same time, there can also be a race without victory. But there can't be a race without rivals or participants. So here the right option is option B rivals. Next example, a book always has option A pages, option B contents, option C images, option D chapters or option E story. Now we can always have a blank book without story, without chapters, without images and without content. But there can't be a book without pages. So here the right option is option A pages. Next example, a factory always has option A electricity, option B water, option C chimney, option D files, option E workers. Now electricity, water, chimney, files are all the basic needs of a factory. But something which gives life to a factory are its workers. There cannot be any factory without workers, no matter how much technologically advanced it might be, but there must be some kind of manpower involved in a factory. So the right option is option E workers. Next example, a clock always has option A alarm, option B battery, option C needles, option D numbers or option E frame. A spring clock can work without battery. A clock can even exist without frame. A clock dial can even be understood without numbers, but no clock can be there without needles. So here the right option is option C needles.